Okay, so we're finished understitching. Here's the pocket. And we're going to have to attach them. Let's move on. Welcome back, and thank you. We are cracking the whip continuously on a countdown now. This is day 21. And what I'm doing here, I have pressed and serged the skirt portion of the dress. And now I'm just getting the straggling threads and evening up my seams that's left to do. So here is the bodice. I'm going to trim the loose threads, and we're going to put some gatherings in the skirt portion, top portion of this garment, and then we were going to attach the top to the top being the bodice to the skirt of the dress after we do the gathers. But right now, I'm just trimming loose threads. So welcome back and thank you for coming. And maybe we'll get to the hem, or the hem will be like the last thing we do anyway. And this dress is going to be long. It's an easy dress. It doesn't have buttons or a zipper, and it does have extra large pockets, which I showed you in the last video. So let's get started with that. Thank you for coming. So this is actually how the dress is going to look with that high-low effect. I just put the clips in it and still have to do my basting stitches. Get rid of my serger threads. Just wanted to know if it was going in the right direction. And this is how it's looking on the envelope. That detail right there is there. This dress, like I said before, it's going to be long on me because I didn't shorten it. So let's move on. So guys, we're going to do the actual sewing on day 22. Trying to wrap the dress up before the 24th. So this is my favorite part of the video. Let's see what's going on with the sewing advent calendar. So this is day 21. Let's open the calendar. Ooh, look at that. That is cute. It's a zipper pull. Can you see it? Well, let's put it on our tray. Thank you so much for joining me each and every time. I appreciate everyone's support. And tomorrow we'll be back cracking the whip for Vlogmas Day 22. And continue cracking until we complete our goal. It's a zipper pull, guys. Let's hang it. Tell me what your favorite ornament is. I believe my favorite one, as I said before, is still the measuring tape. Although the zipper pull comes awfully close. I'm loving it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Happy Vlogmas, everyone, and stay blessed.